How to take Canva size in Canva. Need the right size for your Canva design? Let's set it up step by step. So first, go ahead and open up Canva, click on this create button at the top left, and then from here, go ahead and choose custom size. Enter width and height in pixels, inches, or centimeters. Open your design and click resize, and Canva shows the current dimensions. Resize your design, choose a preset or enter custom dimensions. Canva Pro users can copy and resize instantly. So keep proportions consistent. Maintaining aspect ratio avoids stretch or distorted visuals. Download your design with the right size. And that's it. Canva makes resizing simple and flexible for any platform.